Okay, first we'll revise. Then what is definition of Fermi level in conductors or Fermi level in metals? कौन जानता है? Fermi level in conductors. भोसले. पटकन. Hello. The Fermi level, the highest field energy state or ताड़. निकिता ताड़.
The highest state field at 0 degree Kelvin are called the Fermi level.
The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called as Fermi level, and corresponding energy is called as Fermi energy. Then there are two cases, case number 1 and case number 2. What is case number 1? If Fermi level is
less than EF,
then all the energy levels, what is conclusion?
fulfill.
All the energy levels below the which level?
Fermi level are full. Below
Okay.
the Fermi level are fulfilled.
Okay, all the energy states or all the energy levels below the Fermi level, they are completely filled with electrons. And what is case number 2?
All the states EF.
Okay, all the energy states above the Fermi level, they are
empty.
empty. Okay, then title is written. What is title? Last time it is written Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic. Okay, we know that there are two types of semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors, and second one is the
Extrinsic.
extrinsic semiconductor. What is the difference between these two, intrinsic and extrinsic? कौन सांगता है? What is the difference between intrinsic type of semiconductors and extrinsic type of semiconductors?
Intrinsic semiconductors are pure type semiconductors and extrinsic are doped semiconductors.
Okay, pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic type of semiconductors, or impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. Then what is intrinsic? In intrinsic type of semiconductors, we know that number of charge carriers. What is the relation between N and P? N means concentration of electrons in a conduction.
N is equal to P.
N is equals to P.
Okay, N means concentration of electrons in which band?
Conduction.
Conduction band. And P means concentration of holes in the
valence band.
Valence band. Okay, means in intrinsic type of semiconductors, number of electrons in a conduction band is equal to
number of electrons in valence band.
अजून एकदा repeat करा.
Electrons in conduction band is equal to number of electrons in valence band.
Number of protons in valence band.
Okay, number of electrons in a conduction band is equal to number of holes in a valence band. Okay, number of electrons in a conduction band is equal to number of holes in a valence band. Means N means concentration of electrons in a N. What is N? Concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to P means concentration of holes in the valence band. Okay, this is electron concentration. This is the hole concentration. कशातलं hole concentration? Valence band मधलं. हे electrons concentration कुठल्या band मधलं? Conduction band. Okay, then what is Fermi level? Definition of Fermi level. Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to center of gravity, CG. Center of gravity. Kuna kunaची center of gravity? CG. Center of gravity of the which
Electrons and valence holes.
conduction electrons and
Valence holes.
Okay, once again I will repeat. Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to CG, center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energy. This definition is written last time. Dile kapun?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
okay, then below that what is written? First type is written. What is first type?
Intrinsic
Intrinsic
semiconductor.
type of semiconductor. Then figure is completed.
Yes, sir.
Figure पण झाले का? And what is explanation of this intrinsic type of semiconductor? काय लिहिणार? In intrinsic type of semiconductor, N is equal to P. N means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band. Therefore, CG means center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence hole lies exactly at the
Middle of forbidden band.
middle of forbidden band. Okay, write this explanation now. Okay, entry title is written intrinsic, then figure is completed, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes, sir.
explanation is remaining only. Write it. There is, right? There is an equal number of. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. The center of gravity. The center of gravity. Center of gravity of electrons and holes. The center of gravity of electrons and holes lies. The center of gravity of electrons and holes lies exactly at the middle of. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. The center of gravity of electrons and holes lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band. Lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band. That is next line. Next line. Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band. Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band. Next line, write it n-type. Next line, write it n-type. Second point is n-type. Second is n-type. N-type. This is first intrinsic completed now. And second, write it n-type. Title is n-type semiconductors. What is n-type? Anyone? See here. In n-type, is germanium or silicon doped with which group elements? कोण सांगतंय? Germanium or silicon is doped with third or fifth group elements for n-type. Arsenic or which
Fifth
group?
group elements.
Okay, germanium or silicon is doped with fifth group element. Fifth group म्हणजे व्हॅलेन्सी किती आहे? व्हॅलेन्सी 5. बरोबर आहे का? व्हॅलेन्सी 5 means outermost cell contain 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 electrons. Outermost cell contain how many electrons? 5 electrons. Means out of these 5 electrons, 4 electrons form 4 covalent bonds, and this fifth electron is loosely bound to its nucleus. This fifth electron is loosely bound to its nucleus. म्हणजे n टाइप मध्ये आपण आर्सेनिक डोप करतोय. आर्सेनिक म्हणजे व्हॅलेन्सी 5 आहे. व्हॅलेन्सी 5 म्हणजे आउटरमोस्ट मध्ये त्याच्या 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत. 5 पैकी 4 कशामध्ये भाग घेतला? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म करण्यासाठी. आणि 5वा इलेक्ट्रॉन काय आहे हो?
Valence आहे.
लूजली बाउंड आहे.
Loosely bound.
स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ एनर्जी सप्लाय म्हणजे टेम्परेचर टी पेक्षा जास्त असेल, टी इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 केल्विन असेल, त्या केसला काय होते? हा इलेक्ट्रॉन सेपरेट होतो. इट इज डिटॅच म्हणजे हा फ्री झाला. इट इज फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन झाला. म्हणजे प्रत्येक फिफ्थ ग्रुप एलिमेंट, प्रत्येक आर्सेनिक ॲटम, इच आर्सेनिक ॲटम डोनेट किती इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करतोय? 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करतोय. मीन्स इन एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स आर दी, कुठले असणार आहेत मेजॉरिटी? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर होल्स.
Electrons.
Okay, n type semiconductor majority charge carriers are the electrons. Means here in this figure, see here, in n type semiconductor, n is greater than p. N means concentration of what is n?
Concentration of electrons in conduction band.
Okay, n means concentration of electrons in the conduction band, and p means concentration of holes in the
Valence
valence band. Means n is greater than p. N is greater than p. Okay, means this is second figure. Draw it now. Write title n type. Then draw this figure n type. In this n type, show concentration of electrons in a conduction band is greater than the concentration of holes in the valence band. This is conduction band. is valence band. These are the electrons. These free electrons are there, and these are the holes. Means here n-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the electrons and minority charge carriers are the holes. Means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is greater than the concentration of holes in the valence band. Complete this figure. Okay, in n-type semiconductor, concentration of electrons in a conduction band is greater than the concentration of holes in the valence band. Means in n-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the electrons and minority charge carriers are the holes. That's why CG, center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes shifted towards the which band?
Conduction band.
Conduction band.
Okay, shifted towards the conduction band. Means Fermi level is shifted towards which band? Conduction band. In case of n-type semiconductor, Fermi level is shifted towards the conduction band.
Conduction
Okay.
band.
Okay, then we'll write up now. Write it. N-type, it has more conduction electrons. It has more conduction electrons than holes. It has more conduction electrons than holes. It has more conduction electrons than holes. Therefore, center of gravity, moves up. That is, center of gravity moves, MOVES, moves up. Therefore, center of gravity moves up. That is, Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. That is, Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. We'll read it, anyone? कोणी जर वाचा एकदा explanation.
N-type semiconductor.
Hmm.
It has more conduction electrons than holes. Therefore, center of gravity moves up. That is, Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band.
Okay, correct. Then right, third type is p-type. Third is p-type. Okay, third is p-type. Complete this figure. Before that, what is p-type? In p-type semiconductor, काय हो p-type मध्ये? In p-type semiconductor, silicon or germanium is doped with which group elements? कौन सांगता है?
Trivalent.
Okay, trivalent or third group elements. Third group means valency 3. Valency 3 means outermost shell contain 1, 2, 3 electrons, and this fourth is incomplete. Okay, fourth electron, here electron deficiency is there, electron vacancy is there. Due to this electron vacancy, this fourth point is incomplete. Okay, see here, this is electron vacancy. Due to this electron vacancy, this bond is not completed. This fourth one. What is tendency of this electron vacancy? To accept one electron. दुसऱ्या ह्याच्याकडून एक इलेक्ट्रॉन accept केला जातो आणि इथं होल तयार होतो. One electron is accepted means what is created here? Hole is created. म्हणजे प्रत्येक थर्ड ग्रुप ऍटम काय करतो? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍक्सेप्ट करतो आणि एक होल तयार करतो, एक होल जनरेट करतो. Each and every third group element accept one electron and create a one hole in the semiconducting material. Okay, means in p-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the काय असणार आहेत?
holes.
Majority charge carriers are the holes आणि minority charge carriers काय आहेत वो?
Electrons.
Electrons. Means concentration. Which concentration is more? P or N?
P is greater than N.
P means?
Concentration of proton holes in valence bond.
Okay, concentration of holes in the valence band. And what is N means?
Concentration of electrons in
बरोबर आहे. Concentration of electrons in the conduction
Conduction band.
band. Okay. Then complete this figure. Third. p-type semiconductor. Show in this p-type semiconductor p is greater than n. P means concentration of holes in a valence band, and n means concentration of electrons in the conduction band. Okay, here p, this is conduction band. Concentration of electron is less in a conduction band, means minority charge carriers are there. And here p means concentration of holes in the valence band. These are the holes, means majority charge carriers. Holes are there, means majority charge carrier. And see here, p is greater than n for this p-type semiconductor. Means third type is p-type. The Fermi level in p-type. Okay, complete figure first. Who will explain what is p-type? Explanation of p-type semiconductor like n-type. कौन सांगता है? Anyone?
It has more valence electrons.
अजून एकदा
Sorry.
repeat. हाँ.
Valence than conduction electrons.
Okay, in p-type semiconductor, p is greater than n means concentration of holes in a.
Concentration of holes is greater than concentration of electrons.
That's why Fermi level
Towards shifted
Moves down.
valence band.
okay, the Fermi level moves down or shifted towards the which band?
Valence
Valence band.
Valence
Valence
band.
band. Okay, means in p-type semiconductor, concentration of holes in a valence band is greater than the concentration of electrons in the conduction band.
Conduction band.
That's why Fermi level shifted towards the valence band. Okay, write its explanation. Write it. It has more holes. It has more holes than conduction electrons. 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 Therefore, center of gravity. Therefore, center of gravity moves down. Center of gravity moves down. That is Fermi level shifts. Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. That is Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. Okay, Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. We'll read it anyone once again. Roll number 5, Priyanka Devmare.
Yes, sir.
Read this.
P-type semiconductors, it has more holes than conduction electrons. Therefore, center of gravity moves down. That is, Fermi level shifts towards the valence band.
Okay, this is the explanation of p-type. And here intrinsic Fermi level at the center, n-type Fermi level for MCQ for multiple choice questions. In intrinsic type of semiconductor, where is the position of Fermi level?
Conduction
The
band
center of
towards the conduction band.
Okay, at the center of forbidden band. In case of p-type,
towards
The conduction band.
p-type म्हणलंय. In case of it
Towards the valence band.
and n-type, it is shifted towards the.
Conduction band.
Okay, these 3 MCQs are there. Okay, multiple choice question. Then right next is next article. Write it. Effect of impurity concentration. Right title. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Effect of impurity concentration. Right title is effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Title is written effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Yes, no झाल्यावर सांगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then listen please. Here for n-type semiconductor, silicon or germanium is doped with which group elements? Silicon or germanium is doped with which group elements? Third or fifth?
Fifth.
Fifth group element. Okay, silicon or germanium, they is doped with fifth group elements. Means here impurity atoms are fifth group elements are the fifth group elements are the impurity atoms. Okay, impurity atoms are the fifth group elements. Means here, for example, initially concentration of impurity atoms is less. Impurity म्हणजे कोणाचं concentration हो? Fifth group atoms. Okay, fifth group atoms concentration जर less असेल, म्हणजे it is like it case will be like this. This is fifth group element. Then silicon atoms are there everywhere. Then again fifth group is there. Yes, in this case there is no interaction between the two impurity atoms. जर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कमी असेल, इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लेस असेल, तर दोन फिफ्थ ग्रुप ॲटम मध्ये इंटरॅक्शन नसणार आहे. इंटरॅक्शन नाही म्हणजे दिस एनर्जी लेवल दे आर रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय द सिंगल लाईन. हे फिफ्थ ग्रुप आहे, त्याचे एनर्जी लेवल E1 आणि E2 आपण असं सिंगल लाईन न दाखवतो. एक मिनिट लक्ष द्या, अजून एकदा लक्ष द्या. मी काय म्हणतोय, आपण या सिलिकॉन और जर्मेनियम एन टाइप करण्यासाठी काय करतोय? एन टाइप साठी काय करतोय? एन टाइप साठी कोण सांगतोय? एन टाइप साठी सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम कशाने डोप करतोय वो?
फिफ्थ ग्रुप एलिमेंट.
सिलिकॉन इज डोप्ड विथ द फिफ्थ ग्रुप. फिफ्थ ग्रुप म्हणजे हे कसले ॲटम्स आहेत? तो हे इम्प्युरिटी, ह्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इम्प्युरिटी. ओके, हे इम्प्युरिटी आहेत. आपण इनिशियली काय केलं? इम्प्युरिटीचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लेस ठेवलंय. म्हणजे इथे एक फिफ्थ ग्रुप असेल, मध्ये सगळे सिलिकॉन्स असणार आहेत आणि पुन्हा दुसरा फिफ्थ ग्रुप असेल. ह्या केसमध्ये दोन फिफ्थ ग्रुप ॲटम मध्ये इंटरॅक्शन आहे का? नाही. का नाही? तर त्याचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय आहे? लेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. म्हणजे त्याच्या एनर्जी लेवल आपण कशा दाखवतोय? इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय द सिंगल लाईन. समजा अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं आपण, कशाचं? इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स. इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स म्हणजे कोणाचं? फिफ्थ ग्रुप ॲटमचं. हे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. ओके, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम इन्क्रीजेस. इन्क्रीज केल्यानंतर काय होणार आहे? सम इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स, काही इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स एकमेकाच्या जवळ येणार आहे. फ्यू इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स कम क्लोज टुगेदर. ड्यू टू क्लोजनेस ऑफ दिस इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स, हे एकमेकाच्या जवळ आल्यामुळं एनर्जी लेवल स्प्लिट होतात. एनर्जी लेवल्स काय होतात? स्प्लिट्स होतात. म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं आपण. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवल्यानंतर काय होतंय? कुणाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवतंय वो?
इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम.
ओके, इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवल्यानंतर काही इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स एकमेकाच्या जवळ येतात. ते जवळ आल्यामुळं एनर्जी लेवलचं काय होत आहे? स्प्लिटिंग होत आहे. ओके, दिस E1 अँड E1 डॅश, हिअर E2 अँड E2 डॅश. अजून इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर काय होणार आहे वो? The concentration of impurity atoms again increases. अजून वाढवलं आपण. Then what happen? काय होणार आहे सांगा? More and more number of impurity atoms. More and more number of impurity atoms close together. Come close together. Due to closeness of these impurity atoms, this energy level splits and energy bands are formed. आपण जसं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवत जाऊ तसं ह्या बँडची विड्थ वाढते. ओके, एनर्जी बँडची विड्थ वाढते. म्हणजे इनिशियल लेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन असेल तर ते सिंगल लाईन्स असणार आहेत. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर सिंगल लाईनच्या स्प्लिट होतील नंबर ऑफ लाईन्स मध्ये. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर अजून त्याच्या नंबर ऑफ लाईन्स, मोर नंबर ऑफ लाईन्स मध्ये स्प्लिट्स होतील. म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम इन्क्रीजेस, width of band increases. Means for example here for n type in n type semiconductor we know that, see here, due to addition of this impurity atom new energy level is formed. That energy level is called as donor level. Concentration impurity atom टाकल्यामुळे एक एनर्जी लेवल तयार होते व्हॅलन्स बँड आणि कंडक्शन बँडच्या मध्ये. त्याला आपण कुठली लेवल म्हणतो? त्याला डोनर लेवल म्हणतो, ED. ड्यू टू ॲडिशन ऑफ फिफ्थ ग्रुप इम्प्युरिटी टाकल्यामुळे एक एनर्जी लेवल तयार होते. त्या एनर्जी लेवल आपण काय म्हणतोय? इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज विच लेवल? डोनर लेवल. आणि त्याची पोझिशन कुठं आहे? जस्ट बिलो दी कंडक्शन बँड. ड्यू टू addition of impurity atom, due to addition of fifth group elements, new energy level is formed in n type semiconductor. That new energy level is called as donor level, and its position is just below the conduction band. Okay, its position is just below the conduction band. समजा कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लेस असेल तर एकाच लाईनला दाखवली जाईल डोनर लेवल. तर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर डोनर बँडच्या नंबर ऑफ लाईन्स मध्ये स्प्लिट होणार आहे डोनर लेवल्स. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर हे डोनरचं डोनर बँड तयार होईल. हे आपल्याला डिटेल बघायचं आहे. ओके, दिस हिअर अजून एकदा रिपीट करतोय आपण. काय केलं एन टाईप मध्ये? कुठले इम्प्युरिटी आयटम ऍड केले?
पेंटाव्हॅलंट फिफ्थ ग्रुप
ओके, फिफ्थ ग्रुप ऍड केल्यामुळे कुठली एनर्जी लेवल तयार झाली? डोनर कुठं तयार झाली?
जस्ट बिलो द
कंडक्शन बँड.
ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलं. म्हणजे आपण काय करतो एन टाईप मध्ये इम्प्युरिटी आयटम म्हणजे फिफ्थ ग्रुप टाकतो. फिफ्थ ग्रुप टाकल्यामुळे न्यू एनर्जी लेवल तयार होते. त्या न्यू एनर्जी लेवल्स कुठं तयार होते? त्या न्यू एनर्जी लेवल्सला काय म्हटलं आपण? डोनर लेवल म्हणतो. आणि त्याची पोझिशन कुठं आहे? जस्ट बिलो दी विच बँड? कंडक्शन बँड. ओके, देन सी here in n type semiconductor, due to addition of impurity items, new energy level is formed. That new energy level is called as donor level. आणि ह्याची पोझिशन कुठे आहे बघा? जस्ट बिलो दी विच बँड? हे डोनर लेवल आहे. हे डोनर लेवल आहे. आरोने दाखवतो व्यवस्थित. दिस इज द डोनर लेवल. इट इज जस्ट बिलो दी विच बँड? कंडक्शन बँड. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं आपण. सिंगल लाईन असेल कधी लेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनला. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवल्यानंतर कुणाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन? फिफ्थ ग्रुपचं. ते डोनर लेवल स्प्लिट्स होऊन त्याच्या नंबर ऑफ डोनर लेवल्स होणार आहे. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर त्याचा काय तयार होणार आहे? डोनर लेवलचा सिंगल डोनर लेवलच्या ऐवजी काय तयार होणार आहे?
बँड तयार होणार.
त्या बँडला काय म्हणतो आपण? विच बँड? डोनर बँड. ओके, डोनर बँड. सी हिअर in n type semiconductor, initially concentration is less, then it is represented by a single line. त्याला आपण डोनर लाईन म्हणतो. आता डोनर लाईनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं आपण, त्यानंतर काय तयार झाला? कशाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं? इम्प्युरिटी आयटमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, त्याचा डोनर बँड तयार झाला. इनिशियली सिंगल लाईन इज देअर, दिस इज डोनर लाईन. देन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इन्क्रीजेस, दी डोनर बँड इज फॉर्म. डोनर बँड तयार झाला. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, काय तयार होणार आहे? अजून कशाची विड्थ वाढणार आहे?
डोनर लेवल.
डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढणार आहे. म्हणजे दिस फर्मी लेवल इज नियर टू दी कंडक्शन बँड. फॉर एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर आपण अगोदरच्या आर्टिकल मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. फर्मी लेवल इज नियर टू दी विच बँड? कंडक्शन बँड. म्हणजे फर्मी लेवल इज इन बिटवीन. कोणाकोणाच्या मध्ये आहे हो?
डोनर बँड अँड कंडक्शन बँड.
Okay, it is in between donor level and conduction band. Initially, see here, Fermi level is in between donor level and conduction band. आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, इम्प्युरिटी आयटम्स म्हणजे फिफ्थ ग्रुपचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, त्यावेळेस डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढले. ओके, विड्थ ऑफ डोनर बँड इन्क्रीजेस अँड फर्मी लेवल शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स विच बँड? कुठे शिफ्ट झाली हो फर्मी लेवल?
कंडक्शन बँड.
ओके, इथं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं इम्प्युरिटी आयटमचं, विथ डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढली, फर्मी लेवल वर शिफ्ट झाली. कोणाकडे शिफ्ट झाली? नियर टू विच बँड? टुवर्ड्स कंडक्शन बँड. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं आपण इम्प्युरिटी आयटमचं म्हणजे फिफ्थ ग्रुप एलिमेंटचं अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, त्या डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढली. ओके, विड्थ ऑफ डोनर बँड इन्क्रीजेस अँड फर्मी लेवल शिफ्टेड इन अपवर्ड and its 5 minutes. Fermi level shifts upward direction and it shifts into which band? कशामध्ये शिफ्ट झालं?
कंडक्शन बँड.
into conduction band. Okay, who will explain now? हेच कोण सांगताय मला? एक दोन गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या. आपण काय वाढवतोय? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. कोणाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवतोय? इम्प्युरिटी आयटम. इम्प्युरिटी आयटम म्हणजे कुठले ग्रुप्स आहेत इथं? कुठले एलिमेंट्स आहेत? फिफ्थ ग्रुप. फिफ्थ ग्रुप एलिमेंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढल्यामुळे काय वाढतंय? डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढते. डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढल्यामुळे फर्मी लेवल कुठे शिफ्ट होते हो? टुवर्ड्स द कंडक्शन बँड. हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनला काय होणार आहे? डोनर बँड ओव्हरलॅप होणार आहे. कशाची ओव्हरलॅप होणार आहे? इट ओव्हरलॅप्स टू दी कंडक्शन बँड. आणि फर्मी लेवल शिफ्ट्स इनटू विच बँड?
कंडक्शन बँड.
कंडक्शन बँड. ओके, विल एक्सप्लेन नाउ इन शॉर्ट. कोण सांगताय मला थोडक्यात? Anyone? पटकन. Concentration of, I will start it. concentration of impurity atom म्हणजे fifth group atom increases. Width of
Donor.
Donor band increases.
Fermi level shifts towards the
Conduction band.
Conduction band.
at high impurity concentration.
Overlap.
Donor
Overlap.
donor
Donor.
okay. Donor
To conduction band.
donor band overlaps to the conduction band and Fermi level shifts into the
Conduction
Conduction
band. Okay, write title and complete this figure first. प्रत्येकाने figure complete करा. Write title N-type semiconductor and complete this figure. N-type semiconductor and complete this figure first.
सर ती खालची पण फिगर काढायची काय बॅलन्स बँडची खाली
कुठली मग काय मग नुसतं कंडक्शन बँड असतं का आपल्याला अगोदर बॅलन्स बँड कंडक्शन बँड दोन्हीच्या मध्ये फॉरबिडन बँड आणि ह्या फॉरबिडन बँड मध्ये डोनर लेवल आणि फर्मी लेवल अलग लक्षात तुमच्या.
येस सर.
नाहीतर नुसतं कंडक्शन बँड काढल्यावर कसं व्हायचं फिगर कम्प्लीट होणार का आपली नाही
sir.
अगोदर ओके अगोदर काय काढावं लागेल बॅलन्स बँड नंतर कंडक्शन बँड आणि दोन्हीच्या मध्ये फॉरबिडन बँड आणि फॉरबिडन बँड मध्ये डोनर लेवल सेंटरला नाहीये कुठे आहे डोनर लेवल नियर टू विच बँड
Conduction band.
कंडक्शन बँड दाखवताना पण तशी बरोबर दाखवायची नाही तर सेंटरला दाखवचाल किंवा नियर टू दी बॅलन्स बँड नाही दाखवायची नियर टू दी कंडक्शन बँड अँड फर्मी लेवल इज ऑल्सो बिटवीन कंडक्शन बँड आणि डोनर लेवल. ओके कम्प्लीट इट नाउ. This
Yes,
figure
sir.
is okay. Then write it. The addition of donor impurity. Write explanation. Everyone, please write it. Similarly, we'll write for p-type also. The addition of donor impurity. The addition of donor impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor. The addition of donor impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor leads to the formation of. Once again, at the end, I will check attendance. The addition of donor impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor leads to the formation of discrete donor level. Leads to the formation of discrete donor levels below. The addition of donor impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor leads to the formation of discrete donor levels below the bottom edge of the conduction band. The addition of donor impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor leads to the formation of discrete donor levels below the bottom edge of the which band? Which
Conduction band.
conduction band. Okay, then write it. At low impurity concentration, at low impurity concentration, at low impurity concentration, the impurity atoms are at low impurity concentrations, the impurity atoms are spaced. The impurity atoms are spaced far apart. At low impurity concentration, the impurity atoms are spaced far apart and do not interact with each other. At low impurity concentrations, the impurity atoms are spaced far apart and do not interact with each other. Do not interact with each other. With an increase in the impurity concentration, with an increase in the impurity concentration, with an increase in the impurity concentration, the impurity atoms separation, the impurity atoms separation in the crystal decreases with an increase in the impurity concentration, the impurity atoms concentration in the crystal decreases and they tends to interact and they tends to interact and they tends to interact decreases and they tends to interact. Consequently, the donor level also undergoes splittings. Consequently, the donor level also undergoes splitting and forms an energy band and forms an energy band and forms an energy band below the conduction band, below the conduction band, below the conduction band. Next line. The larger the doping concentration, the larger the doping concentration, the broader is the impurity band. Larger the doping concentration, the broader is the impurity band. Impurity band means which band?
Donor band.
Okay. Larger the doping concentration, the broader is the impurity band. And at one stage, it overlaps on the which band? At one stage, it overlaps.
Conduction band.
Okay, at one stage, it overlaps on the conduction band. It's simple in one word's explanation for MCQs. What is concentration of impurity atom in N-type? In N-type, concentration of impurity atoms or concentration of donor atom increases. Width of donor band increases and Fermi level moves towards the
Conduction band.
conduction band. Okay, this is MCQ. For multiple choice question, one line explanation is required. Okay, then write it for P-type. For P-type, complete this figure for P-type. Okay, complete it. Show here valence band, conduction band, and due to addition of which group elements in P-type? Add करतो आपण. Due to addition of which group element? Third group element. New energy level is created. That level is called as which level? Acceptor level. New energy level is formed. That level is called as which level? Acceptor level. And where is the position? Acceptor level is just above the just
Valence
above.
band.
Okay, just above the valence band, and that level is called as acceptor level. Okay, due to addition of this third group, कुठले element add करतो आपण? Impurity atoms means third group. Third group are the impurity atoms. Okay, these are the impurity. Due to addition of impurity atoms, due to addition of this third group element, new energy level is formed. That level is called as acceptor level, and position of acceptor level is just above the which band? Valence band. Okay, concentration of impurity atoms increases. This concentration increases. Concentration of impurity means concentration of third group atom increases. Then this acceptor level splits into number of energy levels, and which band is formed? कुठला band तयार झालाय बाबा? Donor.
Acceptor band.
Which band is formed? Acceptor band is formed, and Fermi level shifted towards the Fermi level moves towards the valence band. Again, concentration increases, means at high concentration. At high concentration of impurity, high concentration of this third group, or high concentration of impurity atoms, third group atoms.
Acceptor band increases.
ऍक्सेप्टर बँड कशाला ओव्हरलॅप झालाय हो? इट ओव्हरलॅप्स टू दी
Valence band.
Valence band.
acceptor band overlaps to the valence band and Fermi level shifts into the which band? Fermi level shifts into which?
band.
Valence band.
Okay, first complete this figure first. Okay, take 2 minutes, complete it fast. Okay, in p-type semiconductor, right everyone, in p-type semiconductor, everyone please write it. In p-type semiconductor, the acceptor level broaden. The acceptor level broaden. Acceptor level broaden. इथपर्यंत आलोय आपण. In p-type semiconductor, the acceptor level broaden and form into a band with increasing impurity concentration. Form into a band with increasing impurity concentration. Form into a band with increasing impurity concentration, which ultimately overlaps on the valence band. Which ultimately overlaps on the valence band. Which ultimately overlaps on the valence band. The Fermi level moves down. The Fermi level moves down. Fermi level moves down closer to the valence band. Okay, see here, Fermi level is moves down means closer to which band? Valence band. Fermi level moves down closer to the valence band. And finally, at very high impurity concentration, it will shift into the valence band. Okay, we'll read it last. Then we'll stop it. Anyone please read it and then we'll stop it. We'll conclude here. Can I take roll number name? Then roll number 8, Vaishnavi. Roll number 8, Vaishnavi Unmani. Roll number roll number 1, Bhosle Savai.
Yes, sir.
Now read this.
In p-type semiconductor, the acceptor level broaden and form into band with increasing impurity concentration, which ultimately overlaps on the valence band. The Fermi level moves down closer to the valence band, and finally, at very high impurity concentration, it will shift into the valence band as shown in following figure.
Okay, so here these last 2 articles are remaining from this unit number 1. Okay, for next lecture we'll complete these 2 also. Then I will give the assignment questions